Gotta go. Gotta see things.
I went to Hong Kong and Macau with my fiancée to meet her family there on vacation. The first thing we did was check out the shops and restaurants around Senado Square before visiting the popular and crowded ruins of St. Paul. Using the free casino shuttle buses was a great way to get around, and they were never full even though it was a holiday weekend. I recommend the revolving buffet restaurant in Macau Tower. It wasn't a clear day when we went, but I still suggest getting the view of the city from there. The Venetian was pretty spectacular. You can pay to ride in a gondola, or just stay on the side and take pictures for free, and then go to the casino to spend all your money. The House of Magic in Studio City is a must-see show if visiting Macau for the first time. Franz Harari's main act is a lot of fun, and before that we saw Korean magician Han Sol-hee. And Shin Lim! After the magic show, we went directly to the ferry terminal to go to Hong Kong. Okay, if traveling on a budget and you're a very tolerant person, staying at a place like Chungking Mansions or Mirador Mansion is an option. To be honest, this was a miserable experience after arriving late at night and finding the room was like trying to find the way out of a hedge maze. The first floor of these places are good for exchanging money, and being handed tailors' business cards who are persistently hawking in front of their shops. We escaped to a little more upscale option with Kimberly Hotel, which was well worth it. Walking around Nanlian Garden is a nice break from the crowded city. Use the mid-level escalators to go through streets filled with cafes, restaurants, and shops. We waited over 2 hours in line for the Peak Tram to get a night view of the city on Victoria Peak. Again, this was definitely worth it, but try going on a weekday and not a holiday or peak season, if you can help it.